morning and welcome to the Casual Chef's Kitchen. It's Wednesday. Wino Wednesday. Gotta love a good glass of vino. I do. First off, I got a hold of Johnny Lohman. She's one of the moderators here on Casual Chef's Kitchen. Her and her husband were able to slip out of Florida and got up to Arkansas. They're doing good. Sounds like they're having a little bit of fun. First time in Arkansas for them, but they're safe. Yeah. All right. So yesterday and last night, Robin and I tag teamed Chinese chicken salad. This is a really good recipe. It's complete. The dressing it's a very nice dressing. Yes, we tag teamed it. I did all the me's and most of the prep. Robin got to play mixologist for the dressing and so forth. So I will get this up in the group. Today, this is a super simple meal, but it's fun to do. I don't think I've ever done patty melts here in my kitchen. I love a good patty melt, and so does Robin. So we're doing patty melts. And I'm also making that Russian dressing that I made for that Reuben bake. I'm using that recipe. So let's get to it. Got some hardware going. Using elk hamburger. Remember, this elk hamburger was blended with a little bit of beef hamburger to give it some fat. So it's not super lean. Still have the dark rye from the Reuben bake. Got some wonderful Swiss sliced cheeses. Swiss cheese slices. There we go. Woo. Butter. There's going to be some grilled onions with this. Kosher salt, black pepper. And for the Russian dressing, mayo, ketchup, Lee & Perrins Worcestershire sauce, lemon juice, and sweet relish. The side for tonight is Ore-Ida extra crispy seasoned crinkles. Robin and I really like these, and Bel Air hasn't had them for about over a month. So, on this Vino Wednesday, have a great day, eat great food, and have fun cooking.